I'm back, and just want to let you know right now it is snowing extremely hard. You really can't see very far from here, and definitely the snow depth is picking up. My son, he's been out there cleaning his truck, and it's looking a little bit better, but it is extremely cold, and that snow is coming down. The wind has definitely picked up. Like I said, if you look out, you can't see very far down the street. Yeah, you can't hardly see at all. Alright, well, I just wanted to make this and show you what it looked like. Things have deteriorated a little bit as far as the weather. What they're saying is supposed to snow all night. The last time we took a measurement, we had a little over 9.5 inches of snow. So we'll see what's going to happen next. Well, thank you for watching.